Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Scientific Modeling with Blaze. In this one, I wanted to do a quick follow-up to the statistical thermodynamics video. Now, when I defined this likelihood of a dimer before, I assumed something that wasn't as rigorous as I probably should have mentioned. So, in this definition for the likelihood dimer, we had the number of molecules, the volume of the system, and the interaction energy. We didn't really define if the number of molecules were different or not, and if they're different, there's going to actually be a higher number of microstates. Let me show you. So down here, let's see, where am I? Yeah, so right here, we found E in the last video, and now right here. And so this was our microstates definition. Number of molecules, volume. If number of molecules equals 1, we return it, and then we have our definition for, well, it really works for just 2 number of molecules, but it's okay. And so if we run 102, we get a lot, but this assumes that these 2 molecules are different. And since these molecules are assumed to be different, we get a really high number of microstates. Whereas if they were the same, this would probably be close to a half. The number of microstates would be about a half this. So we're going to go ahead and rerun this. We're going to pass in an argument same equals true. We're going to assume that to be true for our new definition. But if it's false, we will output the same thing we outputted before. We'll return that. Else, if it's true, if same is true, we will take a little bit more rigorous approach to this and calculate out the error for overcounting. And this is just a simple probability equation that's available pretty broadly online. It's the factorial of the number of microstates, which we're just passing in the volume, over the factorial of the number of molecules times the volume minus the number of molecules that factorial. That's a pretty basic probability equation. And so running this, if you get the same of false, if we put in 20 microstates, it would be a lot lower than if we put, or a lot higher than if we put same equals true. It is about a half. And so if I did same is true for this, for our 100, it's half of what it was before. Anyway, I just wanted that quick follow-up video so that now I can move into the likelihood of the dimers, and so you can kind of get a sneak peek down here. So that'll be my next video.